Okay guys, so I am about to try this hairstyle. I saw this on Curl Days, I think is her name, on Instagram. On like a little short clip on her page. So basically I'm starting off with washed hair that kind of air dried. I had it braided. All I put was like leave-in conditioner. But yeah, it's like, and I did do some oil like in my scalp. But I'm gonna try and see if I can do what she did. And I really hope that this comes out good because I got work in the morning. You know, I'm gonna split it in half just because my hair is not as long and I don't want it to not. Alright, so I just wanted to show you all how it looked once it was all rolled. So, just gonna put my little bonnet on. And go to sleep. See y'all in the morning. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I would say that this hairstyle came out successful, although it was temporary. The curls only lasted for like maybe 1.5, 2 days. And then it was kind of just like a messy mess after that. So it was a quick little fix to the problem, but not like a permanent solution, like or something that lasted all week long. I did let my hair dry overnight. I would say it was maybe about 6 or 7 hours that I let it dry, which I was kind of worried because I do have a problem by my hair being so thick. And like if I apply something that's moist and then seal it with oils or a hair product or moisturizer or whatever, it tends to stay wet for long periods of time. Like it could be a day, it could be 2 days, it could just never dry. It depends on the products that I apply. So anyway, I do think that it was successful because my hair was dry within the night. So make sure you turn your notifications on for my channel. You hit that little bell on the side, and in that way they're on. You can know whenever I'm posting videos. I have a video coming to you every Sunday. I've had one coming for the last few Sundays in a row. I have my wash routine and my twist out. If you haven't seen it, check it out on my channel. And then I have all my family videos and just you seeing what's going on in my life, in my world. Again, thanks for watching. God bless, and make sure you